In this video, I'm going to teach you about mandala art. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So there are three things that you require in mandala art. The first is your pencil for the outline, one black pen again for the outline, and one compass for drawing the circles. So you can see how I'm doing. I'm making concentric circles. Concentric circle means circles having the same center. You can see the center is same. You can see I have drawn the outline with the pencil. Now I am highlighting it with black pen. So follow the same steps as shown in the video. You know that mandala art looks very beautiful, and mandala art is all about patterns and some shapes. I have only used black pen for making the whole art. But if you want to make your art colorful, then you can also use colorful pens. Okay, I have only used black pen. You can see I have made some patterns on my drawing, on my art, and now I'm highlighting it with black pens. So follow the same steps as in the video. You can see how I'm doing. And if you have any query regarding this video or any other thing, you can always comment down in the comment section. I will reply you for the sure. Mandala art is the art form in which we have to fill each and every space with some patterns. So you can see how I'm doing. I'm making some patterns in the shape of petals. You can see these are the petals like shape. You can see how I'm doing, and then I will make outline. You can see how I'm doing, because mandala art is all about filling the gaps. You can make any pattern of your own choice also. It's not necessary to make the similar patterns. You can see after drawing this I will make outline. So this is the main chant of this art form. First you have to draw some patterns, and then you have to make outline. You will see. Okay, see, and now I'm making the outline. So this fills the art form, your artwork. Okay. Again, you can see I'm making semicircles, and then after making the semicircles, I will again outline it with black pen. And as I have told you before, if you don't have black pen, you can also use black sketch pen or black brush pen or permanent marker also. Now I'm highlighting with it with black pen. Okay, so it's done. Now it's done for the outline part. As I've told you before, making the outline, and between the two lines there should be very small gap. Okay, again I'm making some pattern. First I have drawn one semicircle, or you can say petal, and then I have drawn some flowers inside that, one flower inside that. Okay, you can see first I have drawn with pencil, and if you're confident you can also use black pen directly. So black pen, some petal flowers, and now we are done with the pattern. Okay, so again these small circles, semicircles. As I have told you before, that after making these semicircles we have to make the outline of these petals, semicircles. So this is the main chant of this art form, this mandala art. This usually fills the gaps. And one more thing that I have told you before also, that between these two lines you can see दो दो लाइन बना रहे हैं, मतलब एक पहले से बना हुआ है, and now I am making another outline thing. So the gap between these two lines should be very less. It gives a very good look. You can see. In case you recreate this painting, then don't forget to tag me on my Instagram handle. The link of my Instagram handle is given in the description box. So go and check. I'll be happy to review your work. And if you are coming for the first time on this channel, then I insist you to go and visit my channel, especially the short video part. You'll like for the sure. So please go and visit the channel if you are coming for the first time. I have followed the same pattern throughout the art form. You can see again I am making the small flowers. And this small flower is common in almost all the boxes. And I've made the small petals, semicircles. You can see that everything is common. Okay, so now I'm skipping the video. So this is the final result. Again, follow the same things. I've drawn the outline with pencil, but if you're confident enough to use black pen directly on the board or the your paper, then you can always use for the sure your black pen directly on the paper. If you want another video on mandala art, then you can comment down in the comment section. I'll make for the sure. Mandala art is the art of patience because you have to make small lines, patterns, etc. on the paper. I'm filling the petals with straight lines with black pen. Okay, as I've said that you don't have to leave any space in between in mandala art. Okay, and if you are interested in Madhubani paintings, then let me tell you that I do Madhubani paintings a lot, and you can visit my channel to see my work on Madhubani paintings. You can also see the shorts video because mostly I upload my Madhubani paintings on short videos only. Long videos are also available. So after watching this video, I request you to please visit my channel once. I am making these small semicircle shapes to just fill the boxes, empty spaces. And now again, as same, I'm making the outlines. It's done. Now it's turn for the flowers. You can see how I'm doing. As I've told you that you don't have to leave any space in between. और जो भी space खाली है that would be colored. वो फिर वापस में आगे color हो जाएगा. Okay? As I have told you before that I will use only black pen. I will color even with the black pen. So I will not use any colorful pen or any sketch pen for the coloring part. You will see later in the video. I am making small circles in the petals just for filling it. If you don't want to make petals, you can also make any pattern of your own. And I am filling the gaps. You can see filling the petals, small petals. Now we have to color. I have used black pen for coloring, but you can also use black permanent marker. I will also use it later in the video because coloring with black pen is very difficult. Okay, so you will see later in the video that I will use black permanent marker. Yes, you can use that. And if you don't have black permanent marker, you can also use black sketch pen, black brush pen, black sketch pen. And if you don't have anything of the following, then you can also use black pen. You can see how I'm doing. Okay, so now I'm skipping the video. Okay, so this is the final result of that. Now I'm using black permanent marker. You can see how I'm doing. And I've left one gap in the between for the white because to show some reflection. You can skip this step if you want. Okay, so you can see how I'm doing. You can also use black pen or black sketch pen. So I'm again coloring. As I've said that you don't have to leave any space in between in mandala art because mandala art is all about color filling and making patterns, different patterns. So follow the same thing. Now we have reached almost the end part of this video. I hope you must have enjoyed the video or find the video informative. In case you find this video informative or entertaining, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any query regarding this video or any other video, or you want anything from me to draw, then please comment in the comment section. I will draw for the sure. Okay, so thank you and let's meet in the another video. This is the final result of this artwork. I hope you will like it. Okay, so let's meet in another video.